In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email inbox to HubSpot for 2024. We're going to make this process as straightforward as possible so that you can seamlessly integrate your email with HubSpot's powerful CRM tools. This will ensure that you can manage your communications efficiently and streamline your business operations. Let's start by navigating to HubSpot's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for HubSpot. Once the page loads, you're going to see HubSpot's sleek and user-friendly interface. Now look towards the top right corner of the homepage where you will find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt you to input your login credentials. Enter your HubSpot username and password and click Login again to gain access to your HubSpot account. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to HubSpot's home dashboard. This dashboard is where you can see an overview of your activities and important notifications. After familiarizing yourself with the dashboard, look for the settings icon. This is typically located in the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on settings to proceed. Once you are in the settings menu, you'll see various options related to your HubSpot preferences. The next step is to find the email section in the settings menu. Clicking on email will direct you to the page where you can manage anything related to your email settings in HubSpot. Here you will see options for connecting your personal email accounts. Let's focus on connecting a personal email for now. You'll notice an option labeled Connect Personal Email. Click on it to start the connection process. This feature is a vital component, allowing you to sync your email with HubSpot, thereby ensuring all incoming and outgoing communications get logged and tracked efficiently. After clicking on Connect Personal Email, the next options that appear will guide you to connect your inbox. Do this by following the prompts on the screen. This setup may require you to authorize HubSpot's access to your email account to seamlessly integrate email data. Carefully read through any permissions or requests that require your approval. Granting these permissions is crucial as it allows HubSpot to manage and organize your inbox effectively. Congratulations, you've now connected your email inbox to HubSpot. By linking them together, you can better utilize HubSpot's CRM tools to streamline customer communications and keep everything organized in one place. This is an excellent way to enhance productivity and improve the efficiency of your business communications. Remember, with HubSpot, the goal is always to make managing your business as intuitive as possible. Thanks for watching.